You can learn how to make decisions like AI in no time. Seriously, AI makes millions of decisions every single day, from suggesting what video you should watch next to helping drive a self-driving car. But what if I told you you can apply the same logic to your own everyday decisions? Yep, even something as small as, should I buy a toy car for my kid? It may look simple, but AI would approach it in a completely different way, a smarter way. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do the same. And if you're interested in learning how to think sharper and live smarter, just like AI, hit that like button and subscribe. You'll find more videos like this right here. Let's start with the first and most important step. Define the real problem. You might think the question is simple. Should I buy a toy car for my kid? But hold on. AI wouldn't just stop there. It would ask, what's the actual goal here? Are you trying to reward your kid? Replace a broken toy? Avoid a tantrum? Or maybe you're dealing with guilt from missing quality time? This is where human decisions often go off track. We define the wrong problem and chase the wrong solution. And AI doesn't make that mistake. It defines the true objective before it makes a single move. Tip for you, write your problem in one sentence. Something like, I want to decide if buying this toy fits our parenting goals, budget, and relationship harmony. Once the problem is clearly defined, the rest gets much easier. Next step, gather the right data. AI pulls information from sensors, databases, and past experience. You can do the same mentally. Ask yourself, what's my budget right now? What toys does my kid already have? How often do I usually buy toys? How would my spouse feel about this? Think of your brain like a search engine. You're not guessing, you're searching. And AI separates fact from noise. So should you. Quick break. If this is making sense so far, leave a comment below with AI mindset to let me know you're following. It really helps boost the channel, and I read every comment. Don't rely on assumptions. Use real, recent, relevant information. Because in AI and in life, the quality of your decision depends on the quality of your data. Now here's where humans and AI really differ. An AI has no emotions, no guilt, no ego, no fear, just facts. But you're human. You feel things. And that's okay. As long as emotions don't override the logic. Maybe you're thinking of buying the toy because you feel guilty for missing your kid's recital. Or maybe you're afraid your kid will throw a tantrum if you say no. Those are emotional triggers. AI would label them as non-relevant data and filter them out. Here's a trick. Ask yourself, if a friend came to me with this decision, what would I tell them? That outside perspective helps neutralize the emotional bias. Emotions are fine, but they should inform your values, not replace the facts. Next step, simulate possible outcomes. AI doesn't just pick something and hope for the best, it runs simulations. If I do X, what happens next? You can do this too. Run mental simulations. What happens if I buy the toy? What if I wait? What if I ask my spouse first? What if I buy something else instead? Think like a chess player, a few moves ahead. That's exactly what AI does with decision trees. You don't need complex math. Just run a few then what scenarios in your head. Suddenly, you'll start seeing which paths feel right and which ones hit a wall. Now that you've seen the outcomes, it's time to score the options, just like AI does. AI gives each option a value. Then it picks the one that best meets the goal. You can do this with a simple table in your head or on paper. Example, option 1, buy now, cost $30, emotional outcome, joy, family impact, possible conflict, score 65 out of 100. Option 2, wait and ask spouse, cost $0, emotional outcome, thoughtful, family impact, positive, score 85 out of 100. Option 3, skip the toy, cost $0, emotional outcome, some disappointment, family impact, neutral, score 70 out of 100. The AI style answer, wait and ask your spouse. Highest score, most aligned, least risk, no drama, just logic. And here's the final step. Review and learn. The AI isn't just good at decisions, it learns from everyone. It runs feedback loops and updates its model. You can do that too. After the decision plays out, reflect. Did it go well? Did I define the problem right? Did emotions interfere? What will I do differently next time? This is how you improve your personal decision-making model. AI calls it machine learning. You call it gaining wisdom. And if you've learned something useful today, maybe something you'll actually try, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. We're just getting started. Let's wrap this up. Making decisions like AI isn't about being cold or robotic. It's about being smart. It's about using structure, clarity, and logic without getting hijacked by fear, guilt, or impulse. Here's your 6-step blueprint. 1. Define the real problem. 2. Gather relevant data. 3. Eliminate emotional bias. 4. Simulate possible outcomes. 5. Score and choose logically. 6. Review and learn. Do this, and you'll make decisions with confidence, power, and clarity. Think like AI, but act like a wise human. Because the best decisions, they come from the perfect mix of machine logic and human insight. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if it helped you, and subscribe if you want to make smarter decisions every week. See you in the next one.